Boy, who you think you fucking with? I'm the head chief. You bout as soft as a motherfucking bed sheet. Mad cow disease flow, I'm a sick beast. You actually think you're nicer than me? Bitch, please. No time for the ignorant, blatant hatred. Thou hate so hard, I pray you take it. Don't let them love songs pump you up like I ain't faking. I will burn this bitch down to the ground like Jamaicans. They test you till you test back, they push you till you push back. Wish a fucking wood snap, I'll bust him till it's wood crack. Your heart, I fucking took that, now you just a sucker. Dumb motherfucker, judge the book by its cover. Snuck up on him, tip-toe, the hottest in his echo. Back like a rent out, copy that info. Had to stop battling cats, it made no sense. Styling for free, time well spent. But back to the paper, let the cash chase continue. VA representative, in city venue. I tried to warn you. I got something for you.
You ain't never heard a track like this before. Get some more, like you addicted to coke. Like a crackhead looking for some itch to smoke. And I meant every word that my lips spoke. Getting high off my music, now I'm overdosed. I'm only rich in my soul, so I go for broke. Till I'm lying in a hearse that's only getting worse. But I bet you can't find another version that's perfect. For certain, I'm hurting, I'm closing all the curtains and birthing another unique hip-hop style. And I'm a beast, no, I'm a monster. I'm you out, house and home like you's a foster. I'm in the shit to win it, not to lose it. Haters in the eye of the accuser. You are the victim and I am the abuser. Better yet, I am the future, but you, sir, need to be removed like a tumor. Don't need drugs, I got my music. Bump this shit, you can't refuse it. Staying on my grind, got money on my mind. Press play, then rewind, then repeat a couple times. What? Staying on my grind, got money on my mind. Press play, then rewind, then repeat a couple times.
I tried to warn you. I got something for you. I tried to warn you. I got something for you.